Once the backlog is ready, now it is time for us to review the backlog. Review the backlog essentially mean we ensure that the backlog is detailed enough that the team can confidently pull. It's prioritized. It's prioritized based on the business needs, the business value, and it is detailed appropriately so that teams can confidently pull. The very purpose of backlog review or backlog refinement, sometimes we call backlog grooming, is to ensure that team has enough details so that they can confidently pull the items into the next sprint planning. When do we do backlog refinement or backlog review? We use just-in-time concept here. So just-in-time elaboration of the backlog items or requirements. Again, high priority items are the focus here, because our value-driven planning drives us to focus on the prioritized items. High priority items we focus in our refinement process. Backlog refinement is essentially for ensuring that next 2-3 sprints depth of backlog is kept ready with details so that we can confidently pull them in those sprints. We are detailing the items basing on a concept called progressive elaboration, which is just-in-time concept from lean thinking. Feature release items or features that are in the upcoming releases, we do not much focus. We focus on the current release. Say if we are in first iteration or first sprint, then we are going to focus on sprint number 2 and 3 probably for our backlog refinement meeting. If you recollect, the prioritization is done by the product owner, essentially basing on business value, the cost of doing the item, the risk associated with the item, and the knowledge that what we have in doing that backlog item. Business value, cost, risk, and knowledge govern the priority of the backlog items.